Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Wash and fully dry 250 g Bhindi, then trim the top and tail of each pod and slice into 1/2 pieces lengthwise to reduce slime and promote even cooking. Pat the okra dry with a clean towel until no moisture remains. Excess water makes it sticky. Keep 2 tablespoons oil ready for the pan and a plate to hold the prepared okra. If using tamarind for tang, soak 1 tablespoon tamarind, paste in 1/4 cup warm water for 5 minutes, and strain the pulp. Heat 2 tablespoon oil in a wide pan over medium heat and add 1 tsp mustard seeds and 1/2 tsp cumin. Wait until they crackle and release aroma. Stir in 1 chopped onion and cook until translucent, then add 1 cup tomato puree, 1/2 tsp turmeric, 1 tsp coriander powder, and 1 tsp red chili powder. Simmer 5 to 7 minutes to concentrate flavors. Whisk in 1/2 cup yogurt or 1/4 cup coconut milk for a creamy gravy. Add the prepared bhindi to the simmering gravy, stirring gently to coat every piece without breaking the okra. Keep heat at medium-low and cook uncovered for 8 to 10 minutes until the okra is tender but not mushy. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking and adjust thickness with 2 to 3 tablespoons water if the gravy reduces too much. Finish with 1 tsp garam masala, chopped coriander leaves, and a squeeze of lemon for bright acidity. Serve hot with roti or rice. This recipe yields about 3 servings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.